Can you tell us a little bit more about what the AI Renaissance means to you?
Yeah, so I mean, the Renaissance itself was such a period of innovation in medicine and art, music, all this stuff, and it's often called the rebirth of humanity, right? I feel like it's a very cool concept to bring into the current world of AI, and I think we can use a lot of those concepts about really finding the betterment in humanity, finding the good in humanity, and bringing it into this new world of AI.
Hey, Victoria!
Hi, Femke!
You did a talk today at the AI Renaissance. How was it?
Oh, it was super fun. I mean, the crowd is just amazing. There's so many people here, it's crazy.
What are the topics you've discussed during your talk?
Yeah, so I talked about generative AI and hybrid search in the medical data pipeline domain.
Have you learned anything from the other talks?
Oh, totally. So much from the Fondant. I feel weird saying that in a French accent, but Fondant company about how to like better structure RAG evaluations. And then, I mean, David's talk was just super amazing about all the different criteria you should look for when you're trying to choose a vector database. I really learned a lot from that too.